These right here are the pressure knobs, and when you place your tumbler in here, you need to go ahead and tighten this using both knobs at the same time, and that helps it stay even. So right here is the handle, so you can open that and place this down, pull it down. So this will be where your tumbler or your mug goes inside of here. And this is the aviation connector. And all you need to do here, super easy, is just place it right in here. And you go ahead and do that. Push this right in there, and then you're gonna tighten it. And here's the power cord. We're gonna go ahead and just plug this in here. And we're gonna take this and plug this into the outlet. So something that I read is you should always have a tumbler in here when you are preheating, and we're gonna go ahead and place that in here so we have that in there and we don't forget. Since we have the tumbler in here, the blank tumbler, let's go ahead and we're gonna push this down. And let's adjust the settings and make sure that they're where it should be. So you'll wanna have a firm press when you push this down, so that way you know the sublimation paper that is on the tumbler will have a firm press, so it will go ahead and sublimate better. We have that already adjusted, and let me show you the rest of the stuff. Right here is the power button. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on, and let's first push this down so it's all ready to go. So we're gonna turn this on. This is the LCD control panel. So we're gonna go ahead and press the set button one time, and then we're going to adjust the settings, which is put it at 360, and you can actually hold it and it will go. And then we're gonna hit set, and we're going to do 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and go up and set. So this will preheat to 360, and then we're going to sublimate for 60 seconds. Just still waiting for it to preheat, and then we're gonna get started. It's preheating pretty quickly, to be honest with you. It's almost there. So that is a plus. Let's go ahead and open this, and we're going to take the tumbler out and put in the other tumbler. Here is the tumbler. And I'm going to put the tape side up. That way, when I turn it, I know exactly that it needs to be turned all the way around, and we'll put the tape down. So we're gonna go ahead and press this. And let's just see if we can tighten it just a tad more. And it automatically starts doing the countdown. So that's super nice. As soon as you close it, it counts down. Remember, once the time is up, we're gonna go ahead and rotate the tumbler 180 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, and we're going to take the tumbler and turn it all the way around so the tape is now at the bottom, and close it, and it will go ahead and start counting down. Just tightening this a little bit more. Okay. And again, I apologize for the noise you may hear in the background. We have construction for the next couple of weeks outside, so there's really not anything I can do about that, but hopefully you don't hear it. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead, take it out and set it aside. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the blank one back in because I want to change the time. We're going to go ahead and do the mug now. So the mug, I'm going to set it to 390. Okay, and then set, and then I'm going to do it for 300 seconds. And set, and it is almost preheated. So actually it is. So let's go ahead and take this out, and we're going to put the mug in. And I want to make sure that I get both the sides. So we're going to go ahead and, okay, and then close it. And now we want to make sure it's tightened, and then it's going to go ahead and start counting down. And we do not have to rotate because the handle is up and you're getting both sides. This would not be able to sublimate I would not be able to do a full wrap because it doesn't heat up right here. So just the sides. But I have to say it heated up really fast. From 360 to 390 was just seriously like a snap, and it was there. So we just have 30 seconds left, and then we'll go ahead and take it out. I'm super excited to open the tumbler and see how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna open that. We're gonna turn it off, unplug it, take it out, and we're gonna go ahead and open this one. So let's just kind of move this aside. Okay, you guys ready? So let's see how it turned out. And it's actually not hot anymore, so I'm gonna take the gloves off. It might be easier to take the tape off. We're getting it. Okay, so I think it did a really cute job. I think here it didn't, maybe I didn't tape well enough there. So you can see on the top and the bottom, that was my fault. But I think it's super cute. What do you think? Everything else I think looks super cute. I think maybe I should have taped it down a little bit better on the top. But I think that's overall really cute. I think it did a really good job. So let me go ahead and open the other one, and it's probably still hot. So let's put my gloves on. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and take this one out and see how this looks. Yeah, this one's still warm. Aw, that one's so cute. Let's go ahead and take the rest off. Wow, that is so freaking cute. Isn't that so cute? That turned out perfectly. That looks so cute. So I think these turned out super cute. And I would definitely recommend this. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the descriptions below. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, thank you for watching. And make sure if you have any questions to leave a comment below and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.